We're overdue for some breakfast, and today that means Alsatian breakfast at Haby's Alsatian Bakery. Oh yeah, love the smell of a hometown bakery. So Haby's has been operating since 1940. They got a lot of stuff that you would find in just a traditional small town bakery. Being Alsatian, they also have a couple of those old school family recipes as well. This is co-owner Ann Duran, who with her brother Walter and other family members run this Castroville institution. Gosh, this place is busy.
We stay busy all day long from 5 in the morning till 7 in the evening.
7?
Yes.
Most bakeries close at like 2 or so.
No, we are full to most parts of the day.
Every day, the bakers start before sunrise, making hand-decorated cookies, donuts, and all the fuel that keeps Castroville running, including their own tastes of their homeland.
Now we're journeying to Europe. Okay.
Yes, we'll have apple and cherry strudels, croissants.
Now that's very French.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, strudel, is that more of a German thing?
It is a little bit more German, but Alsatian is a combination of French and German.
See.
So we bring a little bit of both to it.
I love it. Can I just take this tray?
You can take the tray.
This will fit in the truck, right?
They have fresh-made danishes in every flavor, and as a French bakery, well, of course they have.
We have our traditional French loaf of bread.
Okay.
It makes wonderful French toast.
Of course. Once you get French toast made with actual French bread, there's no going back.
Yes, it's the best.
There's no going back.
It is the best.
So this is like old school French recipe.
Yes, came down through the 1940s.
Okay.
Passed along from baker to baker.
This one's mine.
You can have it.
I'm gonna take this one home.
There are many like it, but this one is mine.
Do you speak Alsatian?
I just speak a few words.
Got it. Are there old timers in town who still speak
My father
it?
still speaks it, yes. And there's still a few more.
Teach me a word.
I know a little phrase, Lubishashani Maidla.
Lubishashani Maidla.
Maidla, you are a pretty girl.
Oh, well, thank you
Growing
very
up,
much.
Growing
Wow.
up, that was something we would hear as little girls.
I'll save that one for the right time.
If you liked this video, chances are you're gonna love another video that's somewhere right about here. Or you can visit thedaytripper.com. But above all, what I want you to do most, remember the Alamo. I'll see all y'all out on the road. Bye con Dios, amigos.